Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to set date and time on your Lenovo tablet K11 Plus. To set your date and time, you'll have to swipe down from the top of your screen, press on Settings, then go into General Settings, Date and Time, and here you can either set it automatically or manually. Let's say May 15th, and time 10 a.m. If you set it back to automatic, it will automatically change to your current date. Same goes for time zone. You can set it automatically or choose it manually. Let's say we're from Belgium, and this will set it to a different time zone. And you can also put it back to automatic. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.